Kiumia giki ofisi ya munene wa thitango cia muingi Nuruddin Haji ikoretwo igiteaniria thitango kihiri iria yahandire andu matiganite magoti-ini hamwe nao Aisha Jumwa cira-ini wa CDF wa ciringi milioni 19, uria urari gavana wa Samburu Moses Lenol Kulal cira-ini wa ciringi milioni 80, Ben Chumo cira-ini wa ciringi milioni 400 na Mithika Linturi cira-ini wa unyitani kia hinya. Riri Jumwa na Linturi mendekithitio gutuika a minister na Lenol Kulal gutuika mwadiki mukaru.
The profile of the suspects invites significant public interest as to the motive of the discontinuation of the cases.
Mawakiri kuhetukira kiama kiao kia LSK marauga munene wa thitango cia muingi niwe utuaga cira ni ukwambikwo kana ndukwambikwo thutha wake kwamukira uira kuma kuri borithi na DCI, na uguo ndabatie kuga ati gutiari na uira wa kuigana guthitanga andu aya ehereirie cira.
We are therefore alarmed by the recent decisions by the DPP, as they point to either two very disturbing scenarios. One, that the prosecutions were mounted for ulterior purposes whose end have been achieved or overtaken by events, or two, that the DPP has withdrawn the cases to aid an ulterior motive.
Kuhetukira muikariri giti wa LSK Eric Theuri, kiama giki riu kihete Haji thiku ithatu ataririe bururi gitumi gia guteaniria maciira macio.
We similarly call on the judiciary and especially the magistrates handling the cases to insist on the DPP providing credible and cogent reasons before allowing the discontinuation of the charges.
Itemini ria gutigirira ati watho wa uigiririki na mitugo no wakinyanirio thirikari njeru igithie na mbere na kumbwo. Kiama giki kia Mawakiri oho ni kiandikire abunge gikimoria ati magithurima mundu wothe uraheo mweke thirikari-ini matigirire ati gutire mundu wina maroro waheo mweke wa gutungata.
The Law Society also wishes to point out to members of the public that the courts have stayed the establishment of the office of the Chief Administrative Secretary.
Haduini ha Inooro TV, jitagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.